We are Philip and Tasha, and together with our 3 adventurous cats, Mocha, Nix and Yati, our fearless feline crew, we left the land behind to chase the horizon, living life 1 nautical mile at a time. So whether you're here for amateur BS sailing tips, epic ocean views, or just watching the cats stealing the show, you're at the right place. Welcome to our journey aboard Snow. In this video, I will continue where I left off in a previous video. We are still here in Pangkor, Malaysia, working on the boat and slowly making progress. There's still plenty to do, so I'll take you along and show you what we've been working on and how everything is coming together. Carl is here. Hi. We met Carl in Subic Bay. He's a Filipino, and over time he became a very good friend of ours. Carl is crew on Sandpebble. James carefully pulled his boat closer to Snow, allowing Philip and his crew to step off before the boat was hauled out. Then the entire haul-out process began. Other cameramen were there too, and drones were flying overhead, filming the entire process. Philip looks quite impressed with the process this far.
Wat sê jy van hierdie haul-out? I like it by die vorige.
Very nice.
Wat so? Carl, movie star.
Alfifi is our project manager, always keeping an eye on everything with camera in hand. Philip and James sharing a joke with each other. This is a huge travel lift, can lift 350 tons. We look so small in the lift.
One of the first things performed is usually a pressure wash to get all the critters off the bottom of the boat that will start stinking after about 24 hours.
Philippus, wat van die propeller? This is what you call excellent service.
The maintenance crew, the painters and the technician for the sail drive wasted no time and got busy. They started sanding the hulls. Sail drive was disassembled, get all the spares out to replace bearings and seals and work on the shaft, output shaft. So within minutes there was enormous progress being made. Here we have some of the photos that Alfifi sent on several times a day to show the progress.
Time to cut my hair. Well, isn't this just beautiful? After the boatyard day, we had dinner at the marina. Yati decided to entertain himself. This is the road that we took every day to the boatyard. Very nice. They decided to move the boat into the hangar, and the guys working on the boat were very happy about it. It's so much cooler. Oh well, we need to eat again.
Fifi and the painters were hyper proficient and professional. Did a real good job with the paint. Proper epoxy base coat and tie coat, Silvex tie coat, and eventually they put the red lipstick on the pig to keep the critters at bay. The devil didn't miss an opportunity to provide us with a flat, so we had to change a tire quickly as well.
Lots and lots of crows. Okay. Philippus,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Lano coat, putting lano coat on the prop.
What?
Lano coat on the propeller.
Okay.
This thing, this
Show
stuff
me that.
is gooey as.
Can be. And what is the reason for that?
It stops the props from fouling.
It's already what?
It prevents the props from fouling
Okay.
because it makes it difficult for the barnacles and bio stuff to grow on the props.
Okay.
Keeps them clean, but it's tacky and stinky and but it works.
Okay.
And so arrived the time to put the boat back in the water. All the jobs done and ready to get moving again. Get the mast back on and get sailing. Once the boat's back in water, we had to open the seacock to the engines, the sail drive, and make sure that there's water getting to the strainer so that the heat exchanger on the engine is fed. And you can see the water coming out the exhaust.
Yay! The boat still looks very strange without its mast. This is the man working hard and everything. Back at the marina. James and his wife are hosting a get-together once a month for yachties staying at the marina. We visited the town Lemut for dinner. The next day, Away and his team will step the mast and the new rigging.
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay, 'cause I've had nothing to live for, and look like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm just gonna sit on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Look like nothing's gonna change, everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Listen, sitting here resting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. Listen, 2,000 miles I roam just to make this dock my home. Now I'm just gonna sit at the dock of a bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of a bay, wasting time.
A big thank you to Away and his team for stepping the mast, complete the rigging and putting up the sails. We enjoyed dinner with Bill from Sandpebble. Wow, we got such a wonderful surprise at the office, a lovely gift. Huge thanks to James, the team working on our boat and the office staff. We truly did not expect it. All the animals chilling at the long anchorage. Philip feeding the furling line through the cleat. The birds are driving Nick's mad. Tried to take a video of the blood moon at Monkey Beach, Anchorage.
It's supposed to mean it's wrong. It should be 360.
It was time for our high noon tea.
And I don't think he was
The brand that they're going to take is Seagull.
It was good to catch up with Peter and Barbara from Tiger Balm. On our way to check in. Since Penang has excellent healthcare facilities, we decided to do a full health check at Glen Eagles Hospital. The marina hosted a car exhibition. We took a break from the car show, had dinner, and then returned to the car show.
You can't wear, you can always have it made into a necklace.
Most of the time it's going to be your friends that
We snuck down through a weather window.
There you go, Barbara. It's beautiful, huh? Ah, look at this one. It's like a spider. This is Barbara and me drinking high noon tea. It is nice, huh? The marina during the day and the marina during the night. Peter's family was visiting. His sister Trish and her husband Dominic came all the way from South Africa. Barbara planned a wonderful day trip around Penang, and they kindly invited us to join them for the day. We enjoyed coffee waiting for the tour bus.
Eventually everyone will be happy.
Now so long ago, a time long past, time long past, time long past. Big sky, bigger than I've known before.
Our first stop was the floating mosque, and then the beautiful tropical gardens.
Big sky, feeling good and feeling free. Under that blue canopy of that big, big sky. That big, big sky.
Hallo, is mooi daar. Kijk maar, orchidee daar zo.
Nature is lovely.
Mooi, mooi.
Dream of yesterday, ambition of future, no time to look so like. Never the time for you to look back.
Maybe gassy or sour. What's your choice, Philip?
To the times. And now so long ago, a time long past, time long past, time long past. Big sky, bigger than I've known before. Feeling like an open door opens up my mind. Big sky, feeling good and feeling free.
After that amazing and relaxing time in the tropical garden, we headed over to visit a silk batik factory.
Yeah, it's a block printing batik, and now he's using is a hot wax. It's a paraffin wax. So he used the metal block, dip inside the hot wax, then do the stamping. And the design is up to him. He can choose the design.
Okay.
He's the artist. Yeah, this is the handkerchief. So after he's doing the design, they have to paint the color by brush, so the color won't go over from the line.
Big sky.
And the wax is dissolved. Yeah. How did it get out?
Boiling hot.
Big sky, feeling good and feeling free.
Our final stop for the day was the tropical fruit farm. We were guided around by a wonderful tour guide who was not only full of knowledge but also had a great sense of humor.
Alright, Barossa, which country are you from?
South Africa and New Zealand.
Oh, Auckland?
Yeah.
Cape Town?
Yes, close to Cape Town. He introduced us to this small fruit that was incredible bitter, but the surprising part comes when you open it and touch it. It looks like blood. He even told us that it's sometimes used in movie sets because of how realistic it looks.
Put on a face, then you go back home and you say, what happened? Huh? You see? Yeah, you see? Come on, son, for you.
Oh well, not much I can say about this.
Everybody plug one, you put in the mouth, you suck it just for 2 minutes. Huh? After 2 minutes, you spit it out. I'm going to try the lemon and the sour fruit, it turns to sweetness. One country of West Africa.
Oh, it turns other fruits to sweet.
Yeah, even the water that you drink, it turns to
So
sweet.
it's doing something to your taste
Called the miracle
buds.
fruit.
Okay.
Miracle fruit. Okay.
Yeah. Come on.
I need one. Is this one red enough?
No, there's a lot over it.
Coffee bean.
High caffeine is 2.7, huh? Honeybee. The stingless bee. Okay. Okay, right now today I'm going to. Yeah, don't worry about here, so.
Yeah, but they're very interesting.
Yeah. Okay, now today I explain to you. When you're back in your country of Johannesburg and back in Auckland or whatever Wellington, I'm not gonna where is it? Honeybees. If back at home, any of your friends or children, relative is stung by the honeybees, listen quite carefully. Please no add any ice or cold water on your hand.
No.
No, zero. If you do that, less than 1 minute, straight away you got a pump. Okay, what you should do back home, where your cook at home, because the caramel, dark soy sauce or like soy sauce, you apply, then it's over.
Soy sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
Why soy sauce? Because the fermented bean. It's over. And no vinegar, no garlic. Here, the bee said today, if here the high box is here, I overturn it back facing this tree. Okay, now I'm going to walk here. Ma'am, you're going to phone. I walk there, you see bees where to go. Okay? All right.
Bye.
Bye.
They go back. What's crazy?
Every single last freaking one.
Amazing.
Oh, God.
From one of you, biting that.
No.
Okay, come on.
Smelling.
Okay, it smells it.
Oh, bite
You see?
He knows he's got a tricky customer.
Okay, yeah. Everyone listen. When you peel this oranges, the green skin, here's the top. Please don't peel. It's very hard. What you should do is the bottom part. It's soft. You don't put it. You just press the skin. Very sweet.
This one here.
We had a wonderful time at the fruit farm and truly enjoyed our tour guide. On our way back, we happened to pass this monkey sitting by the roadside. We were saying goodbye to Peter's family. It was a privilege meeting them.
This is of other events.
Barbara sent me this photo of Philip going up the mast. She said he looks like King Kong. Video the person mixing. The owner of the restaurant decided to show Philip exactly how he's supposed to mix the food. Penang is one of our favorite places to visit. Every time we come here, it feels a little bit special. The city is beautiful, full of life, and there's always something to see or to do. One of the highlights to us is the marina. It's such a lovely spot to spend time, surrounded by great restaurants, a shopping mall, and even a grocery store. Everything is right here, making it a perfect place to relax, walk around, and enjoy the atmosphere. We will definitely go back to Penang, but now we are on our way to Langkawi. On our way to Langkawi, a group of local fishermen were on their way to check their nets. Instead of just passing by, they come closer and slow down a little bit just to say hello. A big squall just in front of us. Usually we try our best to avoid storms like this, but this one was simply too big to go around. So according to Windy, today the wind would be between 0 and 4 knots. We are at second reef in the Genoa and we got 22 to 26 knots of wind apparent and 19 to 20 knots through. And there's an uncomfortable sea state. Nix and Yati is very seasick. Feel so sorry for them. Nix is hanging on here for dear life. Poor thing. She's not feeling well. But luckily, the moment we reached calmer waters, they started to recover quickly and everything slowly returned to normal.
'Cause without it you can't survive.
We met up with Sheila, our clearing in agent, and there's a big storm brewing.
I think we're gonna get wet soon.
I think so too.
Sail away.